August 4th, 2024. So we let them out for about 15 minutes. Nobody went up. They kind of exercised like that and flew up and down, but not out. So we're going to try to get them in because they're going in and out of the loft. They're hungry. So this is a good thing. The rain is starting to come. So let's start whistling. Jace, walk up and put the food. See how they're going even without the food. Wait, Jace. Let them go. Okay, Jace, now you put yours that side if you can. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. There you go. Now you step back.
Mom, watch some antlers.
Here, Jace. Very good. Almost everybody's in. Jace, put that other plate on the other side. Step back. What? No. Right there is good.
Always get that little stubborn one.
Always, always. So, right there. Look like we got all.
This is 68 right there. 68.
Yeah. We got all 32 in. Jay said had 68, which is our only trained one from Opolu Point. So that's good. At least we know she's in here, right?
Uh-huh. I'm not lost.
Yeah. Which I wouldn't think she would be. But right there, awesome. Right there. Houdini.
I think this is 68.
Awesome, awesome. So
Who knows
now,
why it is.
so now let's see. Well, look, they brought a grass in here. So let's close this now, right, Jace?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, push it. There we go. That was very successful.
Very, very, very.
Right, Jace?
Yeah.
Nobody flew away.
Didn't have to.
But this was really pushing dinner time, and the lesson was come out, have fun, go back in. And tomorrow, we're gonna let them out earlier so that maybe some of them will take off, you know, not as close to dinner. But this was about as good of a lesson as you can hope for the third time. So that was awesome, right, Jace?
Mhm.
So nobody went up, so we should have all 32 in there. So the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii, will we make the races? Oh yeah, boom!